In this module, we will see that the previous research, what they have identified about the sources of competitive advantage. We have been talking about the competitive advantage for quite a long time in the last 2 or 3 chapters. And since the beginning of this subject, we were talking about that the role of a strategy is to help an organization to achieve a sustainable or to develop a sustainable competitive advantage. And the role of HR strategy is to facilitate the employees to achieve and to develop that competitive advantage. Or, in other words, the role of the HR is to facilitate the employees to able to do so. But the question is, what could be the sources of competitive advantage? In journal, it is said that there is a broad understanding about the sources of competitive advantage is that either you develop a product which is unique to the organization or to the customers, or you develop a product which is at the low cost without compromising on the quality of the product. These are the two broad categories or two broad types of or sources of competitive advantage. However, there might be some more sources of competitive advantage, and we will understand and we will talk about that in this module. Ulrich and Brockenbeck 2005, although 15 years ago, but their research is quite relevant, identified 12 sources of competitive advantage. The first source obviously related to the differentiation, or when we talk about innovation. They have examined different companies in different industries and they found that innovation is or remains an important source of competitive advantage. For example, if you look at different organizations, Apple, Samsung, or the top universities, or if you look at the different fast food companies, and similarly if you look at the different beverage companies, they are continuously innovating, they are continuously developing. If you look at the pharmaceutical companies, continuously investing in research and development, and as a result they are trying to innovate something new for their customers. So, according to that study, one source of the competitive advantage can be innovation. They have also identified different sectors, different industries, and they have found that on time delivery can be a source of competitive advantage. You might have seen different organizations, but one typical example for the on time delivery, perhaps known as the company, can be remembered as a company, Domino's Pizza. When the Pizza Hut was dominant in the pizza industry, now there are a lot of pizza companies and a lot of pizza manufacturers in the market. But when particularly Pizza Hut was the innovative and the first company in the market to pizza, at that time Domino's came into the market, and it was difficult for Domino's to produce something new in the pizza. What else can you do in the pizza other than what it is as a pizza? So the Domino's, they were focusing on the delivery and time, and they said that we will deliver within a given period of time, different places, different timings in 20 minutes, and they said that if it is not hot, this is ours, not yours. In other words, when we deliver the pizza, if it is not hot, we will get it back from you, or we will not. You don't have to pay for it. This is yours, or this is ours. So, on time delivery has been used as a source of competitive advantage and can be a source of advantage in different segments. FedEx, TCS in Pakistan. So, you can see that FedEx is known for its delivery. TCS was dominated the market because of its delivery. So, if you look at the different sources, convenience for ease to the customers, if the product is convenient to use for the customers, it can be a source of competitive advantage. First to market, if you are pioneer in the market, that can be a source of competitive advantage because people will remember you that this is who you are. Apple is a pioneer in smartphones and is still enjoying its competitive advantage. So if you look at the quality is one of the most important thing perhaps can be a source of competitive advantage. So these are the just few we can talk about that. But if you look at they are self-explanatory. The relationships with your customers can be a source of competitive advantage. Mergers and acquisitions. Some companies they grow when they merge together. Synergy in the company's processes and systems. Brand can be a source of competitive advantage. Look at the Colgate. Can other companies manufacture the same toothpaste at Colgate? Yes, they can. But who would like to replace their toothpaste with the Colgate? Because of the trust in the brand. In simply, what is a brand? In simple words, brand is a trust or brand is a promise. So distribution can be a source of competitive advantage, and services you offer along with your products and services itself can be a source of competitive advantage. I hope this list of sources of competitive advantage can give you a useful insight about what companies are looking for or how they can develop something which is sustainable in a long run. Thank you.